Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as I said before, we all know that Toyota has been a disappointment for us, and I had a case study I showed a few weeks ago that I did in all keys lost successfully, and I'm going to be sharing with you each time my client has one of these. Alright, so let's jump into it. Can we do an all keys lost on a 2015 Lexus NX300H with the IM608 Pro? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Curtis Harden. I'm an independent Autel diagnostic consultant. If you're looking to get your new Autel tool, or you already have one and you're looking to get the extra skills to take it to the next level, head on over to my website and I can help you out, auteltech.co.za, and book the diagnostic tool consultation. Okay, so let's jump into it. This is what you're going to need: the IM608 Pro, the APB112, and the Aftermarket Smart Key. Okay, to give you a bit of background on this case study, a client received a call to perform an all keys lost scenario on a 2015 Lexus NX300H. Aware of the recent changes to the Autel software, specifically the removal of the key functionality for Toyota and Lexus vehicles, he was concerned that he might not be able to complete the procedure. Okay, so when I onboarded him, I provided a strategy for how and when to update his tool to preserve the critical functionality needed for Toyota and Lexus models. Okay, so to ensure his success, the client asked me to guide him through the process step by step in case any issues arose during the process. Okay, so step number one, we're going to ID the vehicle and perform the email status scan. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and do the manual selection. We're going to click USA, and then we're going to select the model. Okay, you can see it right there. And then once we select the model, just waiting for him to do it. Okay, we're going to select Smart Key, and once we select Smart Key, we're going to click OK. We have all the details, and then we're going to go to the email status scan. And we're going to just look at the health of the email system and see how many keys are registered. So you can see there was one key already registered in the car. Alright, so next we're going to do the select hot function for all keys lost procedure, and we're going to click escape, and then I'm going to go to hot functions, all keys lost using analog key guided. Okay, turn the hazard warning lamps on and off once, press the start stop button 5 times, and keep the ignition off. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the client to do that, and when he is finished, he's gonna go ahead and click OK. Alright, so now we are starting the first step. Has the email data of the vehicle been backed up? We're going to click no. Ensure that the network connection device is good. Turn the ignition off and the hazard warning lamps on and off once. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And when we're finished, we'll click OK. So I'm just waiting for the client to perform these manual procedures. Alright, checking network. You must turn off the Bluetooth function of the device and connect the VCI to the diagnostic tool with the USB cable. Alright, so you can see here we have it connected to the USB, and our Bluetooth is off. Okay, so it's backing up the email data. Alright, everything seems to be going according to plan. Just fast forward it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to save this file, and I'm going to label it number 2 because I'm just counting how many times we're doing this. This was the first time we did it on a previous Toyota, and we're going to do it with this one. So this is number 2. Alright, and then the key type, alright, so please connect the APB112 key simulator. Alright, so I'm just waiting for him to do that. Okay, now it's generating the key, updating firmware, please wait. Let me see if I can fast forward this a bit. Alright, checking for update files. Alright, everything seems to be going good. Alright, we got 100% generating simulator key. All right, so now it's basically want us to verify if the instrument lights up successfully. Click yes to continue. If it doesn't, click no. So the client did tell me it did light up, so we're gonna go ahead and wait for him to click yes. All right, and then it's gonna do the key learning process. So put the analog key close to the start stop button, and then put a smart key to be learned close to the start stop button. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just go through the motions. Okay, it is going to fail, but it's fine because the one thing that I wanted was this emo data, all right, that we generated onto the APB112. All right, so our next step is going to be add aftermarket key with the APB112. All right, so we're going to go ahead and exit out of here. All right, I'm going to click escape, and then I'm going to go to the add smart key function, guided. Okay, and when we click this, since we're tricking the vehicle into thinking that the APB112 is the master key, we can use that data to add on our smart key. Okay, so turn on the hazard warning lamps. We'll go ahead and do that. Each step must be done within a certain amount of time. All right, registered key verification. All right, so it's going to get this data from the APB112. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click OK. All right, so put the Learn Smart Key close to the Start Stop button. All right, so we'll go ahead and put the APB112 to the Start Stop button. Now put the Smart Key to be learned close to the Start Stop button. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go through those motions. All right, and then we'll see what the result would be. All right, so performing, learning, failed. Ah, crap. The Autel sucks, guys. Psych. So this is what happened. The client told me that he heard a beep, and he says, "Kurt, I think it was registered." And I said, "Really?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "Look, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car." So you can see here, he turned it off, and he's gonna turn it back on. All right, he puts it close there, and then you can see the ignition goes on. But I told him, I said, "Look, I have some very skeptical people who watch these videos, so could you like drive the car a little bit, just to prove that it did start?" And he said, "Yeah." So you can see here it's slowly moving. If you look outside the door, all right, he's moving the vehicle. Okay, all right, and then on top of that, what I did was I went back to the emo status scan, and you can see there's 2 keys registered here. Okay, so that key was successfully registered to the vehicle. Okay, so key summaries: if a tool can't perform a specific function on a certain manufacturer, find another one that can. Every tool has its strengths and weaknesses. Okay, look, as I said, my dad's from the military, and he always taught me when there's a problem, complaining isn't going to do anything. All right, you need to find a solution quickly and accurately, and that's the name of the game when you're a locksmith. All right, that's why you guys have multiple tools. Okay, second, even if the system shows failed during a procedure, always verify the result by checking the physical key and system registration. It may still be successful. Okay, and that's what I found in this case study. Okay, and then if you're thinking about buying an IM608, don't rely on this video to determine whether you will be able to do the same procedure. Now you have to understand, you guys, when I sell a tool, I have a specific strategy on updating and stuff like that. Okay, and I'm just sharing this with you. I don't want you to go out and buy the tool when I didn't tell you to do it, and you come back and you say, "Oh, Kurt, it doesn't work. You scammed me." I didn't scam you. All right, you didn't listen. All right, so I'm just letting you know. I'm sharing with you these clients' results based on the updating strategy that I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, it's a quick video, guys, but as I said, I just want to keep you updating on my clients when I sell a tool and they're able to do this and stuff, and we'll just see how long it goes. Okay, so yeah, with that, I hope you have a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.